Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you can you listen to music with one earphone. And yes, you can put only one earbud to the charging case or remove one earbud from the charging case and then close the case. Now we use only this one and it works. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And right here, as you can see, we still have connection. But you can't connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. This earbud supports dual connection, so you can connect both of your earbuds to two devices simultaneously, but not, as I said previously. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!